Alright, so you're given a prompt and you want to know what you need to do once, like how to write it. So the first thing you need to do is to read to understand the prompt. So let's read the prompt first. Write an informative essay about the effects that humans can have on wild animals when they live in the same area. Use information from the passages in your essay. Okay, so you read it, and now you're going to code your prompt. Coding, it just means putting some notes on it just to understand it better and break it down. Write an informative essay. Okay, right there you know the different mode of your writing. Okay. Alright, so here we have the mode. We have an informative essay means facts. There are four modes to writing. We have informative, which is to give the facts. Persuasive, which means to convince the reader. Narrative, which is to tell a story or opinion, which is what you think. Like you're just telling the author what you think. Not the author, the reader what you think. In this case, we're just going to stick to the facts because it's an informative essay. Now let's look at what we're going to give facts about. Write an informative essay about, here it is, the effects that humans can have on wild animals when they live in the same area. Okay, so the effects that humans can have on wild animals. I hear two things. I hear humans and I hear wild animals. Are we going to be, and who's doing the action? Are the humans affecting wild animals, or the wild animals affecting humans? About the effects that humans can have on wild animals. Okay, so the humans are affecting wild animals. I need to understand what I'm writing about before I can write humans affect. I'm just going to put wild animals just because I can't fit it. So, now, what are my body paragraphs going to be about? Am I going to talk about different, because I see humans and wild animals. Am I going to be talking about a lot of humans? Am I just going to talk about many different types of humans? Am I going to talk about different effects or different wild animals? Well, whatever the action is what we're going to be focusing on. So if we say the effects that humans have, so we're going to be focusing on the effects. So my body paragraphs are going to come from this word right here. The effects. Human effects on wild animals. I'm actually going to only do 2 body paragraphs. Sometimes I do 3. In this case, I teach elementary, so I'm doing 2 body paragraphs. And I call them body 1 and body 2. Humans affect wild animals. So now, while I'm reading, I'm actually going to be looking for different effects that humans have on wild animals. Remember, humans affect wild animals. It is so important. You're going to keep hearing me say this, that you understand the prompt. If you do not understand the prompt, your whole entire essay will be off topic. So now that we understand the prompt, we know that we are doing effects. This is where my body paragraph comes from. In other words, the body paragraphs, some people call them middle paragraphs. The effects that humans have on wild animals. Alright, now while I'm reading, I might just say, while I'm reading, I might just call it an effect, because we're just saying what kind of effect. We don't even know if it's good or bad. So maybe while I'm reading, I might have a star for good and a sad face for bad. Bad effect. So maybe this is going to be my good effect. Another word for effect would have been impact, but they gave us effect. And it's a bad effect. So we don't know what yet, so those are just my codes, so that while I read, I know what I'm looking for, because I don't know if I'm going to be focusing on good effects on wild that humans have, or bad effects. And now that I know what I'm looking for while I read, now I can read my passages.